but it's blank.
What is that?
Yeah, but there's nothing on it.
Yeah, it's a whiteboard, right?
Yes.
Yeah, whiteboard right now you can see. Okay. So in the last session,
Sir, can I
yes.
just send you the PDF? I made the PDF. I just needed to send you.
Okay, send me, no problem. Take your time, no issue.
Sir, I've sent you one.
Okay.
I'm sending the other one. So you have received 2 PDFs.
I have received, yes, now I received 2 PDF, yes.
Sir, I have done chapter 1 because it came for my first exam. I have done that. I just need to revise and do all the like physical like the numericals.
Okay,
I haven't done chapter like energy. I haven't done that.
no problem. So what we will do right now, आपने पहले फर्स्ट चैप्टर को तो कर लिया है, राइट?
Yes,
तो
sir.
हम पहले थर्ड चैप्टर जो आपका एनर्जी चैप्टर है वो फिनिश कर देंगे. इट विल नॉट टेक ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेगा. एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर द फर्स्ट वन. क्योंकि फर्स्ट वन आपका पढ़ा हुआ है तो रिवीजन के लिए यू विल टेक लेस टाइम, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो जो ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा एनर्जी हम उस पर चलते हैं जो आपने नहीं पढ़ा हुआ है, राइट? Okay, so let's start with the things. So in this we have to learn about, so today's topic you can say we have
Sir,
energy
can I
and
just tell you what?
yes,
I'll tell you the date for physics exam.
okay,
Just a minute. Ah, it's a cool. Yes. So the PDF is just opening.
mm-hmm.
Physics is on 4th. It's a Wednesday.
4th November.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so we have to learn about energy and work, right? Okay, so first of all, what do you know about the energy? Can you tell me?
Energy is needed for like everything. For a car to move, for you to run, for some like it's needed for everything.
Okay, so anything you want to tell me in this?
There are different types of energy, like what we like living beings. They use food. They use glucose as energy, and other like mechanical things use different kind of energies, like tidal energy, uh, nuclear energy.
Okay,
Nuclear
I'm
energy is
coming.
there,
Oh,
right?
wait. Don't go too much high. Okay, first thing we have to learn what is energy, right? So, energy is simple, the capacity to do work. The capacity
Do work.
to do a work is called energy. It's called?
Energy.
Please make a note of this also because you do not have it. Or in the other word, you can say the ability to do work. What you can say?
The ability to do work.
The ability to do a work is called
So just a minute.
energy.
Yes, sir. Done.
So now you can see a girl is doing cycling. Girl is doing cycling. So what we can say that she has the ability to do a cycle, right? साइकिल चलाने की एबिलिटी है उसके पास, राइट? तभी तो वो चला
Yes,
पा
sir.
रही है. So she has some energy for it or not? She is doing some work or not? Yes, she is doing some work, right? I will show you one more thing that you can see here. This boy is playing, bus is moving. So we can say all are doing work, right? And for doing that work, for doing that work,
You need energy.
you need energy. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
first of all, in our mind, the thing will come, what is work? What is
Work.
work? So now, energy I will explain later also. बाद में भी करेंगे हम in a very depth. Right now, I would like to tell you what is work. Okay. So what do you think? What is a work basically?
Mm, work is like if I like you're completing a task is doing something is called work. Like
Okay.
if you like uh like I don't know what to say.
Okay. Do one thing. Do one thing. Take the book on the table, please.
Yes, sir. On the
On
table.
the table. Now
Meaning,
apply the force.
I
Now
don't understand.
apply the force. Okay, you can just suppose this is the book. This is the book.
Book.
Now what you will do, you have to apply a force in this direction. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So if you will apply the force in this direction, what will happen? Your book will move like this. Your book will move like this.
Yes, sir.
So your book is moving. I can say, suppose that your book is, you have applied a force F. How much force you have applied? F.
F.
Now your book is moving D distance. How much distance? D is a distance. I will write down here. F is force.
So, like,
And
I have a doubt. Like,
yes,
in force, how do I like numericals? Like, how do I do that?
मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ ना. आप एक काम करो, आप अपने पास एक बुक लो पहले. ले लिया?
I have
Now can you apply the force on it?
which like direction.
Any direction, or you can apply right to left. Apply right to left. You can see I have applied here. Can you see
Yeah.
that? So in this one you can see the book is moving. Your book is moving or not?
Yes, sir.
Your book has moved, right? Your book has moved.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that work is said to be done. Work is said to be done
Set to
if applied force on the body moves it. अगर आप कोई फोर्स अप्लाई करते हो जिससे बॉडी मूव कर जाती है, then we can say you have done a work. Do you clear? Do you clear?
So your voice is breaking.
Vivian, I have written it. Can you read it,
Yes,
please?
sir.
Please
Yes,
read.
sir. Yes, work is said to be done if the applied force on the body moves it. If no motion takes place, no work is said to be done.
Right. So हम क्या
Hello.
कहेंगे? Yes. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
what we?
in my yes, sir, I can hear you. So in
Yes.
my book, it's written like we can say that work is it's given in an example form. Like
Don't worry. Look at here. Look at here.
we can say that work is done by a body depends upon the force applied.
So you can see the force
Yes,
applied.
sir.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Hello. जो मैंने लिखा है, can
Yes,
you
sir, I
read that?
can see it.
You can see it, right? So basically, what we can say, the work is done based on two factors. Work is done based on how many factors? Two factors. Can you see I have written it?
Based on two factors.
Based
Yes, sir.
on two factors. First factor
Two
is
factors.
this. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. What?
Can you read it, please?
Hello.
Yes. Can you read this, please? Vivian.
On the magnitude of yes, sir. On the magnitude of the force applied, greater the force applied, greater the work done. On the distance moved in the direction of force.
So we can say basically work depend upon the force and the work depend upon the distance. These two things work will depend. So from here the formula will come, work done is equals to force into distance moved. What is the formula?
Sir,
Yes.
hello.
Yes, can you hear me or not?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
like its voice is breaking. Though I'm
Please
like last
rejoin.
class, even
Please
for maths class, it was happening. So I don't know if it's happening because
please
my internet is bad or your.
rejoin.
Hello.
Rejoin.
Okay, sir.
Please rejoin. Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
It's better.
So now you can see I have told you the work will depend upon the two things. The work will depend upon two things, the force applied and the distance moved.
Things.
So you can see force applied and distance moved. So from there we have found a formula, work done is equals to force into distance moved. Please make a note of everything. Make a note of everything, please.
Yes, sir. Just uh, sir, can give me just a minute.
Yes, you take your note.
Uh, this is yes, sir. So can you go to? I
Yes,
even need to
yes,
write this.
yes. You have to write down this and then next page also. Okay.
So work into force.
No, it's not into. It's proportional. आप इसको लिखो ना. Can you write down this? Can you write down this?
Yes, sir.
जो मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है वो लिखो आप. जो मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है बस वो लिखो आप. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And then you can write down this box.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
Do I even need to write the brackets?
No, no brackets. Only this, which I have underlined. No bracket.
Sir, done.
Okay. Have you noted the box one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now note down this part, the bold letters. Can you note down the bold letters? This is the another definition of work done.
Work done in a moving body is equals to product of force. Sir, done.
Okay. Fine. Now you have understood about this, right? Now we will move. What is the unit of work done?
I
What is
don't
the
know.
unit of work done? Do you know that? So make a note. SI unit of work done. SI unit of work done is joule. Is joule. Make a note.
How much is 1 joule?
I will tell you. We know the formula. Work is force into distance. We know that. So unit of work is 1 joule. Unit of force is, what is the unit of force? Newton. Forget it. What is the unit of distance?
Distance.
Meter. So 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton meter. Make a note of it. 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton meter.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. You have to make a note also.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. 1 kilojoule is equals to 1000 joules. kg मतलब होता है 1000. So that's why kilojoule को हम 1000 joules कहते हैं. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make a note.
Mm-hmm.
Make a note. If you applied a force, if you applied a force and there is and there is no movement of body. There is
Work is
not
not
done.
said to be
Yes.
done.
No movement of body means distance is zero. Distance moved is zero.
Zero
Therefore, work,
is said
we
not to
know
be done.
that F into D, so F into zero, so work done will be zero. Make a note of it. Do you clear?
Mm-hmm. So for an example, if you can't push a wall, so if you try pushing a wall, work is
Work done
not
is
done.
zero. Do you clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Noted?
No,
Noted?
sir. No,
Note
sir.
down, note down करो. ये सब मैंने
Force.
अपने लिए थोड़ा लिखा है. You have to write
Sir,
down.
I'm writing it, but I've not completed.
तो लिखो, तो पूरा लिखो. Take your time.
So done.
Done. Okay. Give me a moment. Now, I would like to tell you something more in it. Okay. Which is not given in your book, but you should know that. आपको जानना चाहिए. Suppose if I have a body, if what? I have a body, I'm applying a force in this direction. I'm applying a force in this direction. So body has some mass, right? And the body will move in this direction with the acceleration A. So what will be the value of force? Value of force will be ma. Understand?
How much is MA? Like
M is mass
mass in mass
and
into
A is
Yeah,
acceleration.
acceleration equals to final velocity.
Acceleration is V minus U by T.
Yeah,
Okay?
which is V is final, initial or final? I
No,
keep getting confused.
V is final velocity.
And U is initial
U
velocity.
is initial velocity. And T is time. Okay? Please
Mm-hmm.
make a note of everything.
So I have noted this. I remember also. I
So
just need to just. Mm. So can you switch back?
Yes, you can see.
Uh, what do I need to write?
Each and
Like
everything, whatever I have written, you need to write force. हम यहाँ force calculate कर रहे हैं.
force
Understand? We are calculating what? We are calculating the force.
force equals to ma, which equals to m equals to mass, e equals to accel- acceleration. Hmm. So done.
Now you can see what I am writing on the top. Can you see that? If the body moves against the gravity, body
That
moves,
that is going up.
that is going up or down, you can consider it.
No,
Right.
going down is not.
It's okay. It's okay. So now you can see the body is moving by up. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So body will apply how much weight? You know the formula of weight, right?
Weight
mg.
mg is
Force, gravitational force is equals to weight, and that is nothing but m mass into gravity. ये सब आपके बुक में नहीं है, मैं दे रहा हूं ताकि आपको आना चाहिए. G की वैल्यू on earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Make a note of everything. Make a note of everything, please. Can you see here? I have written it. Can you see that? Vivian, can you see?
yes, sir.
हाँ, इसको नोट कर लो. मैं एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा जिससे आपको चीजें क्लियर हो जाएगी.
So if a body moves against gravity,
मतलब नीचे से ऊपर जाएगी बॉडी.
yeah.
नीचे से.
What is Fg?
Fg means force, gravitational force. I will write on here. Fg means force due to gravity. Force due to
Gravity.
M is mass. G is
Gravity.
that is equals to 9.8. Fix होता है ये. On the earth. Moon पर 1.6
mg
होगा.
equals to mass into gravity. T mg on earth is 9.8 meter per second. So is it meter per square or meter per second?
Meter per second square. Meter per second square.
Per second or square, right?
Yes.
Meter per second square.
Yeah.
Second. Second square. So done.
Okay. Fine. So यहाँ तक क्लियर है चीजें? कोई डाउट है तो मुझसे पूछो अभी. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm giving a few questions. You need to solve it right now. Okay? ये दो चीजें जो मैंने पढ़ाई है ये एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हैं which you should know. You are taking the classes, so you should know something extra.
Yes, sir.
Can you do this problem by your own?
Okay. Calculate the amount of work done when a force of 30 Newton displaces a body through
25 meter.
25 meter in its own direction.
इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका ये होता है, सबसे पहले गिवन डेटा नोट करो। सबसे पहले क्या नोट करो? गिवन डेटा। What is the data given to you? So I can see force is given to me, right? That is 30 Newton. Distance is given to me 25 meter. What they're asking? They're asking me work done. They're asking me work done. We know very well work done is equals to force into distance. So force is 30 Newton, distance is 25 meters. So कितना हो जाएगा ये? 750 Newton meter, which we can say 750 joules. So work done will be how much? 750 joules. Do you clear?
Yes, sir.
Make a note of it. इस तरीके से हम प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, नोट कर लिया तो मुझे बताना।
Sir, done.
Okay, giving you the problem. Please go ahead and solve. ये आप करोगे।
Calculate the distance through which cart moves. Distance equals to time by speed.
डिस्टेंस बोला है निकालने के लिए विद द हेल्प ऑफ वर्क डन। अभी अभी वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला पढ़ाया ना मैंने। तो कैसे करोगे उसको?
तो
गिवन डेटा नोट करो, गिवन डेटा नोट करो।
यस सर। Force equals to 15 Newton. Work equals to 450 joules, and distance equals to question mark. So distance will equal to it will equal to work by will it be work by force?
Yes.
Equals to 450 by 15 newtons. Sir, can I write 450 Newton meter?
Yes, आप लिखो, जो पहले सॉल्व करो।
Sir, it will be 30 meters.
Let me check. Yes, you are right. Giving you the problem. You are correct.
So I have to if the work is written in joule, I have to convert it into
Newton meter.
Newton meter.
Yes. Go for it. Solve this part.
A work of 15 joule. A work of 15 joule is done in a moving body to 2 meter in the distance. Applied force. Calculate magnitude of the force. So how do I calculate magnitude?
Magnitude matlab what is the value of force? What is the value of force? You have to calculate that.
So, magnitude equals to?
Magnitude नहीं, force. Magnitude force का value क्या है ये पूछ रहे हो?
I understand.
आप फोर्स निकालो, कैलकुलेट द फोर्स प्लीज। इतना कर सकते हो ना, कैलकुलेट फोर्स।
Given data equals my voice. Given data equals to work equals to 15 joule. Uh, Direction distance equals to 2 meters. So, so
Yes.
so force equals to distance by work by distance, right?
Yes, you are right.
Force equals to something, then for hence force equals to uh, W by D, which equals to 15 Newton meter.
You are muted. Yes.
Sir, is the answer 7.5 Newton?
Yes, you are right. Giving other one. Okay. Now note down the homework. You have to do exercise 3.1 completely. Note down your homework.
Okay.
Exercise 3.1 completely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I'm giving you a few questions right now. Fine. Go for it. Solve it. Solve this.
Sir, is the answer 10 Newton meter?
Let me check. 10 joule. Newton meter
Yeah,
will become 10
10
joule.
joule.
Okay, giving you one more problem.
Okay, sir. Just have to see how much charge my laptop has.
So if no charge, use your charger.
It can ever last till the end of class, but
Take it. Have it or not?
sir, the charge will last till end of class though.
Okay, go for it. Try to do this one.
Sir, can you increase the size?
Yeah. Okay. Now, this much I can.
So calculate the work done in lifting 200 kgs of water through a vertical height of 6 meters. So the force is up force equals to so force will equals to 200 kg 10 into 200. So 2000 newtons.
2000?
Newtons is the force applied for lifting.
Yes, you are right. 2000 Newton is the force applied. Good.
1000 newton and distance equals to 6 meters. Work equals to F into D, which equals to 2000 into 6, which equals to 12,000 joules. 1000 joules. So done.
Okay. Fine. Giving one more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, giving you. Yeah, this is a good problem. I think you should try about it. Let me see how you will do. You have a capacity to do it or not?
A,
So let's see. Can you see?
a car weighing 1000 kg and traveling 30 meter per second stops at distance of 50 meter, decelerating uniformly. What force exerted on by the brakes?
Done?
So force will equal to 30 meter by second. I mean 30 meters second.
First you have to find the force, right?
Yes, sir.
First you have to find the force. So force is what? Force is mass into acceleration.
Yes.
Okay. So force is mass into acceleration. We need to calculate what?
So force equals
Mass we
to
have.
m
Mass we
into
have.
a, which equals
Do we
to
have the mass or not?
mass equals to 1000 kg.
Calculate the acceleration in that case. So in
1000
acceleration,
kg.
v minus u by 3.
Deacceleration,
So
which
simple.
will be
Deacceleration same. Acceleration. So traveling at a speed of 30. So this is your u value. Stops means final value 0. So 0 minus 30.
30 meter
And
by second
okay, you do
minus
not have the
50
time. Oh, okay. You
meter.
can't do this. You can't do this. You do not have the, you have a distance here. You do not have the time. So you can do one thing. You can take it here.
Mm-hmm.
1/3 seconds. Take it the time as 1/3 seconds. So 1/3 seconds. So it will give you how much? No, one by not three. Take it 10/3. Take it 10/3. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So minus 30 by 10 times 3. Cancel, so it will give me minus 9 meter per second square. So
So
you, yes, tell me.
uh, I need to multiply it into, right, into the mass. So it
Yes.
is minus 9 meter
So
bus.
1000 into 9. So it gives me minus 9,000 Newton because it's a
Meters.
negative. It's a brake applying. Brake means
Mm-hmm.
brake force will become 9,000. ब्रेक अपोजिट में अप्लाई करता है ना,
Mm-hmm.
सो ब्रेक फोर्स विल बिकम हियर 9000.
9,000.
अब आपको
So
फोर्स मिल गया. डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल इज हाउ मच?
6 meters.
नहीं, 50 meters.
50
टेक इट.
meters. Sorry.
So can you find the work done?
So
So work done is
minus
force to
9,000
distance.
Newton. Uh, uh, 50 meter, which equals to
Do it fast. Hello, where are you looking?
oh, I thought I said that. So the answer is
Hmm.
four 400,000 45,000. Wait,
It's
what am I saying?
nine. It's nine
It's
thousand
in into
times 50.
50,
So
which
45 and
is
4 zeros
45
and
4
4
lakh
zeros.
50,000.
It's
4 lakh
okay.
50,000.
It's okay. Giving you one more problem. Go for it.
Is the answer correct?
Yes, that is right. Go for this
Oh.
problem.
A
Take the G
body.
value. Take the G value as 9.8 meter per second square. Solve कीजिए इसको भी.
Uh-huh. So a body of mass 100 kg is lifted by up by 10 meter. Find the amount of work done. 1,000 newtons. Hello?
Yes.
100 joules.
Okay. So give me a moment. So basically, I can see the work done will become here. Work done is force into distance travel, right? This is the mass given to me. So 1000, sorry, 100 into 9.8.
So why
Correct?
100 into 9.8?
Because this is the mass, this is the gravity. It's lifting up.
Oh,
It's
oh,
lifting
oh.
up, right?
Yes,
So
I have to do the sum again.
it's 980 Newton. Now 980 Newton I need to write down here, and distance is 10. So this becomes 9800 joules. Clear hai? Is this clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So what we will do in our next session, we will go for our energy. Okay. And what is your homework? Exercise 3.1. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
complete it. Do you clear with your homework?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
मैं आपको होमवर्क व्हाट्सएप भी कर देता हूँ.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second. Okay. Fine.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो कुछ इसमें डाउट है, कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? Anything you want to ask me?
No.
No. Okay. ठीक है. तो चलिए हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मिलेंगे. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Take care.